Hello everyone, welcome back. Today on COTT Electronics, we'll be discussing the main menu, which, as you can see, contains all the options offered by our device. The main menu allows you to customize and organize these prompts to fit your hotel brand and design. For instance, anything that is enabled on the portal's main menu will be featured on the actual device, which, as you remember from episode 1, is hooked up to the television in most hotel rooms. That is, if the COTT Hotelier isn't already built into the TV. The type over here, as with any computer folder, helps you sort the prompts. For now, let's leave it as it is and move on to the position, which is simply the manual option for rearranging. The Enable option allows you to feature these prompts on the device itself, and if said prompts should become unavailable for one reason or another, you can simply remove it. If you would like to remove the option entirely, you obviously delete the prompt, but let's dive into the Edit option. Parent refers to the general category you'd place this prompt under. Without a parent attached to a specific prompt, it will appear directly on the device's main menu with no parent category. If the parent is selected, then we can create a gateway into the menu type. In this case, the menu type correctly denotes channel, since the prompt refers to live TV and does not require being placed in the services parent. Let's change the type to application for now, because it's important to cover the app ID underneath. Without this ID, you will not be able to access the application on the device. If the menu type denotes area, then it's referring to something like a store or a restaurant, for which you need to create a gateway to the store on the device itself. For this one, let's select Boss Area to indicate the store brand. You may also upload a picture to help you navigate these prompts, as well as the change in title here based on the languages you have selected, which also have various options for editing, such as changing and setting the name. Once you select the title and its color, you can further modify the overall icon. For the background type, let's leave gradient and use the color palette here to flush the brown out. And there you have it, our new icon and title are ready. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.